In this video, you are going to see how to change the slide size in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. To change the slide size, go to Design, go to Slide Size. You can make it standard 4:3 or 16:9. Now let us go to Custom Slide Size. Now you can choose the paper size over here. Here you will see the most popular option A4 paper. If I click on OK, let us select the maximize, and you will see the paper has been converted into A4, but this is in the landscape format. If I want to make it portrait, again go to over here, select here the portrait and click on OK. Click on maximize and you will see I have changed the slide size very easily. Go to slide size, go to custom slide size. If you go to custom, you can write your own size very easily. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.